If you're snoring, you may be looking for treatment options. This can be a complex issue requiring a comprehensive evaluation. So we look at things like nasal obstruction and the size of your throat and the size of your tongue. And we also look for symptoms of sleep apnea, which often involves doing a sleep study. And based on those findings, we can recommend a treatment option that's tailored for you specifically. Here at Capital ENT, we provide personalized, comprehensive, state-of-the-art care for any nasal, sinus, or sleep issues that you may be experiencing.